Aloha everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and we are back from our Big Island Hawaiian vacation. It was absolutely amazing and beautiful and magical and so relaxing that I have lacked the motivation to film. Not because I didn't want to, but just because, you know, we're all still on island time, to be quite honest. But I got a new subscription service delivery in the mail, and I wanted to share it with you. It's something a little different. It's actually a clothing and accessory subscription service. It is not retro or vintage wear subscription service, but I thought maybe I can get like some inexpensive staple pieces to put in my wardrobe that I can kind of, you know, style in a pinup, vintage, rockabilly, whatever you want to call it kind of way. I am so on island time that my filming space and my office are a horrific mess. So if you can see any of it in the background, I'm not sorry. I won't apologize. But that is why things are the way they are. So this subscription is from a company called Nadine. The way it works is you fill out a style profile, and then you pay $9.78 per month or per shipment, because you can actually do this twice a month. You can get 2 shipments a month. The $9.78 is for shipping. You receive items. If you keep any of them, that shipping fee is credited towards the total purchase price. They say their items average between $10 and $30, which is what was kind of piqued my interest. They said that some of the brands you may have heard of, some of the brands you may not have heard of. So this is actually my second delivery. If you hear the children, they're fighting over Minecraft downstairs, and Mama does not feel like interrupting them because otherwise I'd be doing all day. So I decided to give this subscription 3-month chance, so 3 deliveries chance. I'm not including the first month delivery because I figure this is because my style is a little bit different from probably what they're used to dealing with. It might take a little bit of time to figure this out. So after this month, they get 2 more chances, and then I'm just going to cancel it because I'm not going to waste my money. I did specifically put that I like a classic bohemian vintage look, and then in the description I said that my style, I really like a 40s, 50s, 60s inspired pieces, and so I hoped that maybe they would be able to kind of try at least to pull something. So my first month I got a black and white striped v-neck shirt that was kind of a looser cut. A pair of workout leggings that had a cell phone pocket. I got a like gold bar necklace and a silver like stretchy bracelet. I only kept the workout pants because I had actually been looking for a pair that had a cell phone pocket that I liked, and I kind of liked the style, and they had the pocket, so I went ahead and kept them. They were like $24.99, I think, so it wasn't a bad price. But I sent everything else back, and I told them I don't like v-neck shirts. I like a more fitted shirt style. The necklace was okay, but it just really wasn't my thing, and I told them that I prefer not to get bracelets anymore because I do have a small wrist. And most bracelets are just way too big for my wrists. It's a little difficult for me to find bracelets that fit comfortably. So I had high hopes. You are able to go on after you get your delivery and rate your items that you got and you are able to leave feedback for each item individually, and then for your box. It's not really a box. It comes in one of those pink mailers. So they're supposed to take your feedback and then help tailor your future shipments. You guys, I'm sorry, there's going to be a lot of edits in this video. I have not yawned literally all day until I sat down to film. I don't know what it is about filming, but it's like I'm allergic to it or something, and that comes off in yawning. Also, it is deathly hot in my room right now. So let's get into this month's, this shipment. So I've already taken a peek at it, and we'll go through and I will give you my thoughts, how I'm feeling so far. So first of all, I received a top. This says the top is Autumn Red. It is $24.99. It is from a company called Bazzolo. I feel like some of this stuff, it's like brands that I see at Ross for much less. Not gonna lie. I do like the color, but I do not like the style of this shirt. Again, it's V-neck. It's not really... well, it's a plunging. It's just not really like my favorite. It is long sleeve. It's a little bit flowy, and then it has the hem where it's higher on the sides and then longer in the front and back. It's just not my style. Again, I asked them for a more fitted. They were going to send me tops like this, a more fitted style top. So that is going to be returned. I'm going to add up the amount of this bag and then let you know how much is sent and then how much I would pay if I were to keep everything. Next up is another pair of, I don't know, honestly, it's from the same brand. I don't know if these are workout pants or if these are just the most hideous leggings I have ever seen in my life. They're really thick, which makes me think they're more like workout pants, but they have all these like mesh cutouts all the way down. Just no. So these supposedly retail for $33.99. These are definitely going back. I'll add this in. And then next up we have some jewelry. The other issue that I have is when I was looking at them online, it looked like they sent out like cohesive outfits that you could also mix and match within your wardrobe. I have not received that so far at all. The first piece of jewelry that I received is from a company called Crystal Lane, Crafted with Love. These are foliage in a gold tone. So when I looked it up, these are supposedly made from real leaves, and since no two leaves are the same, no set is going to be exactly the same. It's a lovely idea. I just know I would never wear these. And they retail for $14.99. I don't know if they're real gold or not. It says they're lead compliant and not for children under 12 years. I don't know why. And then next up is another necklace. It's called a hollow bar in gold. This is from a company called Little Charm. Again, it says safety regulations of lead and other components. I don't know if this is just a gold tone, gold plated, whatever. It's a lovely dainty jewelry kind of piece, and it's okay, but for $21.99, I can get stuff like this cheaper, like at Target or Kohl's, especially when it's on sale. So this just isn't anything that I'm like, ooh, that's really pretty. I really want that enough to keep it. So it's also going back. Last but certainly not least is a bracelet. It just says this is the healing component. It's in a gold tone. I don't know if that's the brand or not. It is $9.99. It's a little bangle like this, and it has these little like faux crystal things on. It's not a perfect fit for me, but it is kind of cute, and to be honest, it's only $9.99. So with my credit, it's only going to cost me another, like, what is that, 21 cents to keep it, because you can't roll over your shipping credits. You either use it or lose it, kind of a thing. So for that purpose alone, I think I'm going to keep it. I don't know if I'll keep it for myself. I might give it to someone. I don't know. It might make a cute gift for someone. I haven't decided yet, but like I said, it's only going to cost me another like 21 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. So the total price for my selections this month was $105.95. If I kept everything and used my credit, it would cost me $96.17. I don't feel like this is a $105 outfit. So I will be leaving my feedback and sending most of it back. But again, I am just going to keep the one bracelet because it would make a cute gift, I think, for someone who likes this kind of jewelry. Or if I feel like it, I might keep it for myself. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So I will definitely be giving my feedback overall. The other issue that I have is that these are time sensitive deliveries. I only have until July 30th to use my return label. Otherwise, I cannot return anything and I will be charged the full amount for these items. Today's the 27th. I was supposed to receive this by the 24th. You're supposed to have about 5 or 6 days to mull things over and look at it and try it on. They have been sending, my shipments have been coming very late, like within days, like a few days, 2 or 3 days. I want to say like 3 to 4 days of the cutoff for returning, and they have been showing up on a Friday. And last month my cutoff day was a Sunday, and I got it like on a Thursday, so I only had like Friday and Saturday to get it shipped back to them. So that's been a little bit frustrating that for whatever reason the delivery system that they are using is not getting things to me in a very timely manner. This company, I forget where they are from. It doesn't say on here. I know it said on the packaging, but yeah. So that is it. Let me know what you think. Have you heard of this company? Do you think this would be something that you would be willing to try out? Like I said, I'm going to give it 2 more shipments to see if they can hone in on my style, and if not, I'm just going to cancel it. It's only costing me $9.78 a month to ship it. So I figured it's under $10 to get it shipped here, and then I can decide whether or not I want to keep anything. A lot of times you can get free shipping on your first shipment. You just won't have a credit if you decide to keep anything. And yeah, that's about it. So I am going to get this. What was I trying to say? I don't even know. I totally forgot. Island time, y'all. I'm still on island time. I'm going to get my feedback sent in. I'm going to pop this in the mail tomorrow to be sent back. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was kind of a little bit of a downer because it wasn't like, I don't know. It wasn't, I was hoping for more, especially with the feedback that I left last month on my delivery service package, whatever the heck it's called. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. If I get another pair of leggings, heads will roll. Mark my words. So yeah, that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please, I would love to have you as part of the family. So hit that subscribe button and click the little bell. That way you will always be notified every time I upload. Also, we are still inching our way towards 1,000 subscribers. I will have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway when that happens. So tell your friends, share my videos. I love you all. I am awkward. I am awkward. This is how I really am in real life. You can ask anybody in the comments that has met me. Will know, like, this is legit just how I am. What you see is what you get, y'all. Thanks so much for subscribing. I hope you guys are doing really great, and I will see you all again next time. Bye-bye.